Yeah, today I'd like to introduce about the disease and the natural therapy. Today we just talk about one disease. It's called Parkinson's disease. We know Parkinson's disease generally most of the patients have Parkinson's disease. The most symptom is the body shaking, Sometimes like head shaking, uncontrolled shaking, especially the rest of the time, the shaking. Or the hands shaking at the rest of the time, the patient they cannot control by themselves, the shaking. Or leg is shaking too. That could be, it depends on person to person. That's a very different body, the part shaking. Also, the Parkinson disease, the movement, the body movement have trouble. Sometimes muscles are too tight, sometimes move slowly, too slowly, sometimes standing is difficult, or sometimes fall down too. So, the same time, people with Parkinson's disease also have mental problem, have mental disorder. The patient who with Parkinson's disease, they feel depression, anxiety, or they have memory problem or different mental disorder too. So treat the Parkinson's disease today in the United States, the official medicine they have some medication, different type medication or medical drugs. But look at the treatment effect there is not so good. In medicine, the information told there, people take official medical drugs after 10 to 15 years. The most patients need assisted knife. In other words, they have knife difficult for daily time. That's the official medicine related to how treated the Parkinson's, what happened after treatment 10, 15 years, what happened. So that's the Parkinson's disease use of official medicine treatment. But today I'd like to talk to you there, treat the Parkinson's disease. Not just official medicine can treat it there. They have natural medicine can treat the Parkinson's disease, treat the same disease. Or we can say natural therapy, treat the Parkinson's disease. And patient just need to be patient. Believe you have a choice. You have a chance to improve your health. The natural medicine can reduce the Parkinson's disease, also can improve the body function and improve mental condition too. So if I give you example there, in my experience there, by the way, I'm an alternative medicine practitioner, or like people generally think the way is alternative medicine doctor, okay? In my experience, I treat the Parkinson's disease. For example, a few years ago, one person, he worked in bank. He has a Parkinson's disease. the leg is shaking, the hand is shaking, you know, he feels stressful, feel anxiety, you know. The hand shaking, especially you rest time, you sit down or lying down, his leg just shaking, cannot control, you know. The hand is shaking too, you know. So that he basically all the time is shaking, even the rest, okay? But he come my treatment, I use natural solar help him. He get about totally 24 weeks treatment. His condition there, as the treatment go on, slowly there change. Beginning all time, the leg, the hand shaking all time. At the beginning treatment, then the beginning feel they could beginning 1 hour, they don't shake. They don't shake. Okay, then you come back shaking. Then keep going treatment after like about 10 weeks. His leg, his hand shaking, they could be 4 hours don't shaking. Before the old time shaking. They change it to 1 hour don't shaking, 2 hours don't shaking, 4 hours, 3 hours don't shaking, 4 hours don't shaking. They can 4 hours no shaking there. So that meaning the body movement disorder get some improvement. After 24 weeks natural therapy, he can all morning time don't shaking. At the rest time don't shaking. Longer time he can all day 6 hours don't shaking. That's a big change. And he feel anxiety much less. He feel do job much more easy. So that's the natural medicine can do that. So people if have Parkinson's disease use natural medicine or keep therapy there, they could be get much better. Don't like official medicine said after 10, 15 years need to assist daily life. But if you use natural medicine, that's very possible. After 10 years treatment, get the basic natural therapy, probably they don't need the assist daily life. That's the natural medicine, different than official medicine. But the most important for your patient, you need to make it your choice. You need to try. Now you understand the natural therapy is good for you or not. You can understand, especially you before you already use official medicine, now you use the natural medicine, natural therapy, you can compare the official medicine with natural therapy, or you can say official medicine with alternative medicine. Which one is better for you? Better for you reduce your symptom, better improve your condition, better for your health life. Only you try natural therapy, you can find out. So that's the way you need to do. Especially you have problem, you have Parkinson's disease, a few years, your condition don't get improvement by official medicine, or your condition get worse, it's time try alternative medicine. You have chance. If you try, you can find out. So that's your opportunity. So today, I just give you information about natural saliva can treat the many diseases. This Parkinson is just one type treatment. One type of disease use natural saliva, okay? In the future, maybe next time we talk about different disease can use natural saliva. I hope you understand you have a bad life opportunity, but you need to try, find out. Good luck. Good luck for your life. Thank you.